Yo, what's up guys? It's Pygos here, the Crypto Pie, and today we're going to be talking about the market, guys. Alright, so right now I got it on Bitcoin chart, but let's just, we're going to talk about a few markets here, guys. Not just Bitcoin, but something I found on Bitcoin, that you can immediately see if you go on the 1 hour, is some bullish divergence on the RSI, right? So the price is going down, but the RSI is going up. So that tells me we're soon going to bounce. I just don't know yet when, right? I mean, it's really hard to say. I think we honestly need to hit that 0.5, right? Which is around 8,800, guys, which would be decently to bounce as well. You can also see the 4 hour RSI is all the way down. Also, you see I got the MACD on the chart right now and not the stochastic RSI. I switch from indicators every now and then, guys. You should too, just try them out, and sometimes some work and some are just completely not working. It depends on the chart, and if it's this far sold down or super bought up, then the stochastic RSI is not working the best. So then I switched to the MACD, but other than that, I like the stochastic more, as you know, but I switch it around too, so that's why I see the MACD on here right now. So yeah, the Bitcoin, we need to get some, it needs to bounce, guys, right? I mean, what do you look at this RSI, guys. I mean, RSI at 24 and the 6 hours at 24 as well. 12 hours even nearly oversold, guys. Alright, what happens when the 12 hours oversold? You get stuff like this, guys, right? Big bounce, alright? So people who sell right now, like their spot coins, they're panic selling, alright? Nothing else to say there. If you sell your spot coins right now, you're crazy. For margin, of course, you gotta have your risk in place, because if you don't, then it can just totally wreck you. So if you are margin trading, guys, whether it's on Kraken, on Bitfinex, or on BitMax, yeah, then you need to have good risk management in place, right? So yeah, you see what we're dropping now, actually, as we speak, guys. So we have a new low. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Let's just follow this. Look, 5 minute, right? Already oversold though. We're gonna bounce, guys. We're gonna bounce. Actually, I need to look for my margin to get a order in soon, right? But yeah, I'm definitely gonna play this bounce, just like I played this bounce, guys. I played this bounce yesterday, and I just made an extra 5% or something. Wasn't anything crazy, like $100 or something. I only put 2,000 in, but whatever is whatever, right? You just make some. Yeah, you gotta take those trades, guys. If you just know it's gonna bounce, you just gotta do it, alright? You just go zoom out on the chart, be like, where's the next support level? Okay, so where do we have confluence? It's 0.5 level. Okay, so that's here. We have some tops here. I should put some orders around the 8,800, right? All the way down to 86 or so. Right that area, right? So I mean, basically this area. Anyways, guys, that's enough about Bitcoin. So that one's dropping. If we look at Neo, that's another big pair, guys. It's dropping as well, right? So if you go on the 4 hour, pretty much same story, guys. Very oversold. We expect to bounce. So you can also play this bounce. Just wait for some confirmation, okay? So what I mean with confirmation is, if it bounces, okay? So once more, we go back to Bitcoin real quick because I have some lines here. So if it bounces on the 0.5, I see like it bouncing a little bit. Then I go to a small time frame, right? Like the 1 hour. Wait for the hour to be done and see if it's actually a nice wick like it was here. Excellent entry, right? Like you could have entered like here and then just take like 3-4%. At the moment, guys, you need to take your profits faster because you don't know what the market's doing. But there's definitely some money to be made on your margin trades right now. It's a little more dangerous, obviously, and I want to have a bull market too, guys, alright? My portfolio is going down just like yours. Everyone's portfolio is going down, okay? That's just what it is, guys. That's what, if you're holding something for the longer term, you gotta stomach that, alright? But your margin trades, that's just pure trading, guys, right? No emotion. If you lose, you take your loss, you have your stop loss. You know, last night I just had my stop was right under here. Did it get hit? No, it got hit to the cloud. It sold at like 1000 something, 1020 or something at the cloud. So yeah, it made me profit. But if I got stopped out, so what, right? So I either could have lost 40 bucks or make like $100, right? That's a decent risk reward. That's what I take. It's up to you what you do. But yeah, that's Bitcoin. So we got Neo, guys. Kind of the same picture, right? Daily is very oversold here. Well, daily is nearly oversold as well. So that's, yeah, Neo Bitcoin. Well, obviously it's going down as well. Where do I think it will bounce around? The bottom of the cloud. Also coincides with this top here, right? Ethereum, guys, another one. Alright, there's so many, guys, there's so many charts to look at. Let's just put a Fibonacci on there, right? So we bounced around in 0.5, so the next one's 618, right? Right here. Around the $600 level, guys, around the $600 level. That is a very important point. I think 600 is like of utmost importance here. Just draw it, right? And yeah, so we're already at 679. So yeah, you could have also shorted it. I short sometimes, didn't short much this time around. But yeah, but we will definitely see some kind of bounce, guys, right? Look at the daily, right? We have 1, 2, 3 days in a row red. Are we getting a 4th day? Perhaps, guys. At the top, how many did we have? I mean, I don't count these, okay? This is more like indecision. I mean, if you count here, you also have one indecision candle. But basically 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 as well, right? This 1, 2, 3. Maybe we get a 4 to really flush it out to the 8,000 area. Who knows? If it does, guys, if it goes to 8,000, I go heavy on that margin, alright? I go heavy on that margin. That's just how I see the market, guys. So that's just a quick update on Bitcoin, Neo, and Ethereum. Let's just take a look at some others as well that I don't own, but that some of you might have, like Litecoin. Let's take a look at Litecoin. Probably like around the same picture, right? So, I mean, let's take this low here, guys. Just put the Fibonacci up here. So yeah, it already went to 786. So yeah, now we went up and probably gonna bounce around the 150 area again. And I expect some kind of bounce here, guys. Okay, so that's how simple you have to look at it, right? So, and when you expect something, then wait until it actually gets there and see if it has any kind of bounce there. So then you go to like a small time, like the 1 hour, and see if it bounces there. If it bounces, great, right? Then you wait for the hour to finish and you look for an entry. That is just how I do it, guys, and it suits me, okay? My margin trades are going pretty good. Should I have taken, you know, had I taken all my profits at the top, of course be good, right? But we all make mistakes, guys. I mean, we all could have taken our profits at the 20k, right? Well, it didn't even hit 20k, like nearly 20k. So yeah, you could have sold here or here, whatever, but we didn't, right? Most of us didn't. So just gotta live with it, guys, and market will certainly bounce at some point. So you're holding spot coins unless you need that money immediately. Just hold it, guys, right? At least wait for a bounce. If some bounce comes up here and it gets rejected again, if this gets rejected again, then get out, right? Just get out, and because then, you know, these bounces down will also go lower and lower, right? So yeah, expect that, but definitely put the RSI on your charts, because you will see if something's oversold or overbought, right? And you can see it's massively oversold, guys. It's massively oversold. 12 hours not oversold just yet. Daily absolutely not. But I mean, can it go to 8 or 7k? Yes, it can. But will we see a big bounce after that? Yes, we will. Alright. So it's just what it is, guys. Right? It's trading. You just gotta deal with it. So right now, are there opportunities to trade? Yes. Are they more risky? Yes, of course there's more risk. You know, like you need to, once again on Bitcoin, right? Because I'm trading Bitcoin the most, guys, to be honest, right? Sometimes Ethereum, but Bitcoin the most. So when we get here and I see a bounce, then you just put your long on it, right? So let's say you buy around here, right? Then you just target small, guys. Oh, I'm putting 2 on here by mistake. So just target like something like 7%. So what is your stop then? Probably around here, right? 2 or 3, 4%. What's your stop? I mean, it depends on the wick. You need to wait for that wick. You know, you see this wick? It took a while before we finally crushed this, right? So you had some opportunity to make some money, and that will go again. And at some point, you'll be like, oh, why did I take my profit? It goes further. But guess what? It's fine. You can get back in if you want. So, you know, just keep that in mind. But guys, it is what it is, right? And yeah, everything's massively oversold, so I don't want you guys to panic. If you are the ones panic selling right here, like in the red, you're a sucker. Alright? Just don't do that. Alright? Don't be selling all the way in the red, guys. Always wait for a bounce. Just bounce all the time, right? Red, bounce. Right? Did I sell some here? Yeah. Did I sell all? No. And because I thought it would break out and I just wanted to buy back in, and no, it didn't. So that's simple, guys. Now it goes down again, and basically yeah, just gotta stomach it, guys. Alright, gotta stomach it. But the RSI is very indicating. Okay, so we're very oversold here on the 4 hour at least. We need a bounce. Right, 6 hour needs a bounce as well. You can see normal. I mean, that's the 21, right? We can get down to 21. Also, this is the bottom of the 6 hour cloud, guys. What if we get a bounce all the way up to here again, 10.7, and you sold right now at 9,000? You'd be mad at yourself, alright? So, because you can practically sell like 16% higher, right? So, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So, anyways, guys, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where you can ask me any questions, where you can ask other people questions. You know, it's just a big chat box to be in. And it's also, if you think about panic selling, guys, just don't, alright? Just don't panic sell, because we will also tell you not to, right? Also, join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my videos. I post my thoughts about the market. I post about ICOs we're in, about upcoming ICOs that I think are winners. At the moment, I think almost no ICOs are winners, guys. Why? Because the market's in a bear, right? If we're in a bear, it's not gonna go good, right? So ICOs won't do good either. So that's pretty much where we're at, guys. So yeah, both telegrams will be in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button. And if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.